Hello, hello Neha. Hello, Tanji. I'll start my video. So, are we going to ask people to join? Taruji? Hi, Sucheta ji. So, Taruji is here. Sucheta ji is here. Neha ji is here. We can start?
Yeah, you can start, Paul. Hi.
Yes.
Okay. आवाज क्लियर है मेरी?
Yes. Clear है.
Okay, thank you, thank you. चलिए. So, we'll start with Shanti part. I'll just share.
Close your eyes gently. अपनी आंखें धीरे से बंद कर लें. Stay with us for a while. कुछ क्षण के लिए हमारे साथ बने रहें. ओम सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै. ओम शांति शांति शांति.
Thank you for cooperating. So we'll start with the small presentation that I have made on Zoom. किस लैंग्वेज में कंफर्टेबल है सब लोग? हिंदी, इंग्लिश? हिंदी और इंग्लिश और बोथ?
हिंदी वाले ही हैं आज.
बोथ? Okay. So I'll start.
We can start in English. I think there are
Yeah.
some.
Okay. So are you able to see the presentation?
And दे दो जरा phone का.
Sorry?
Yes, we can.
Yes, okay. So this is not a very grand presentation. बहुत छोटा सा मैंने बनाया है. तरु मैम ने बोला था कि स्क्रीनशॉट से दिखा दो, पर आई वाज नॉट कंफर्टेबल, तो इसीलिए उसको प्रेजेंटेशन के रूप में लेकर आई हूँ कि हाउ टू यूज जूम फॉर मीटिंग. एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट इज वी आर यूजिंग जूम फॉर मीटिंग. तो हमने अभी जूम पर ही आप लोगों को हम लोग सब ज्वाइन किए हैं. सो ऑलरेडी वी आर अडेप्टेड विथ ज्वाइनिंग एंड ऑल. पर थोड़ी बहुत जो मुश्किल आती है दैट आई विल ट्राई टू शेयर. ओके. वन सेकेंड. So this is what I think, and I think everyone will agree that the best way to learn anything is by using it. जितना इस्तेमाल करेंगे एंड जितना उसके साथ आई यूज द वर्ड टू प्ले विथ इट, जितना उसके साथ एक्सपेरिमेंट करेंगे देन वी आर एबल टू लर्न मोर। तो चाहे मैं आज 5-6 टिप्स ही बता पाऊँ, बट देन इफ एनी वन ऑफ यू और एनी वन ऑफ अस इज हैविंग हेजिटेशन और सम कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है, जस्ट प्ले विथ इट, क्योंकि देर इज नो हार्म इन एक्सपेरिमेंटिंग, जो हम बायोएंजाइम के साथ भी करते हैं। एवरीवन एग्रीज राइट? जितना एक्सपेरिमेंट करते हैं उतना ही हमें समझ में आता है। ओके, okay. So there are two ways when we have to use Zoom. One is the as a participant, and then one is uh, as a host. जैसे अभी तरु जी is the host of the meeting, and we all are the participant. My laptop is sending some instructions right now only when I'm giving presentation. तो तो उसमें कैसा है कि when you are a participant तो 5-6 चीजें ही ध्यान रखनी पड़ती है, जैसे कि how to join a meeting, how to connect audio and everything, how to turn on your video and add virtual background. I remember when Preeti ma'am in this हमारा जो बहुत बड़ा सेशन हुआ था, in which she asked everyone to change their background. तो एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड कि हम अपना बैकग्राउंड कैसे चेंज कर सकते हैं, हाउ टू शेयर योर स्क्रीन, जैसे मैंने अभी अपना स्क्रीन शेयर किया हुआ है बिकॉज आई हैव टू शो द प्रेजेंटेशन, और हाउ टू चेंज योर डिस्प्ले नेम। ओके, तो अभी मेरा नाम इको मार्गदर्शक दिख रहा है एंड आई हैव टू शो यू पीपल दैट हाउ टू चेंज योर डिस्प्ले नेम। तो अगर आप लैपटॉप पे हैं एंड इफ यू वांट टू चेंज योर नेम, सो आपके स्क्रीन पे आप जहाँ पे आपका प्रोफाइल दिख रहा है वहां पे 3 डॉट्स बने होंगे, म्यूट लिखा है, देन 3 डॉट्स बने होंगे एंड देन यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन दोज डॉट्स एंड यू हैव टू, देयर आर मेनी ऑप्शंस, लाइक आप रीनेम कर सकते हैं, वहां पे व्यू प्रोफाइल है, म्यूट है, ब्लर माई बैकग्राउंड है, एडजस्ट बैकग्राउंड एंड इफेक्ट्स है, एंड देन देर इज अ रीनेम ऑल्सो। इफ यू आर एबल टू प्रैक्टिस विथ मी तो यू विल बी मोर कंफर्टेबल। तो अगर आप अभी भी जाएं और वहां पे रीनेम करने के लिए क्लिक करेंगे तो now I can, my laptop is a little slow but it will help me. तो rename करने जाएंगे, it will ask you enter a new name below and then there is an option of saying change. When you say change, so now my name is changed from Eco Margdarshak to Parul Sharan. So is it okay? Like people are able to get the idea what I am trying to say? I think some yes and no will work. Okay. तो नेक्स्ट चलते हैं। सो आई हैव टेकन सम स्क्रीनशॉट्स ऑफ लैपटॉप, या अगर आपको लैपटॉप से ज्वाइन करना है सो देयर इज अ स्क्रीन जो आपका आता है। आर यू एबल टू सी द कंप्लीट इंटायर स्क्रीन?
Yes, Parul, we can see.
Yes.
Okay, so the entire screen says that you can start a new meeting, you can join. So it is your screen, Zoom workplace screen, जो आपका लैपटॉप पे खुलता है। एंड देन देयर यू कैन, आज तरु जी ने जैसे शेड्यूल किया मीटिंग तो शी मस्ट हैव गॉन टू शेड्यूल, एंड देन जैसे मैंने अगर ज्वाइन करना है तो आई वेंट टू द ज्वाइन थिंग। अगर न्यू मीटिंग स्टार्ट करनी है, इफ यू आर गोइंग टू टेक अ सेशन, तो आपको न्यू मीटिंग स्टार्ट करनी होती है, लिंक क्रिएट करना पड़ता है। फॉर दैट वी कैन यूज दिस न्यू मीटिंग का लोगो। यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो कि देयर इज शेड्यूल, तो वहां पे आप शेड्यूल कर सकते हो। अब जब हम शेड्यूल करते हैं, सो आफ्टर दैट आई विल शो यू द सेकेंड स्क्रीन। ये क्या होगा? ओके, हाँ सॉरी, ऊपर नीचे हो गया। सो व्हेन यू से शेड्यूल देन इट विल टेक यू टू दिस स्क्रीन, जहाँ पे कि आप अपने मीटिंग का नाम चेंज कर सकते हो। लाइक आवर्स मीटिंग इज बायोएंजाइम का नॉलेज सेशन मीटिंग, सो काइंड ऑफ दोज थिंग्स कैन बी रिटन देयर। साथ में उसके आपको मैसेज भी कुछ आप लिख सकते हो, और मीटिंग आईडी बनती है यहाँ पे। और जैसे हमारा रिपीटेड लिंक्स है कि वही लिंक हम रिपीट करते हैं, तो दैट कैन बी डन फ्रॉम दिस रिपीट थिंग। उसके बाद एक ऑप्शन जो मैं सबको दिखाना चाहती थी विच इज नेसेसरी। हाँ, यहाँ पे क्या होता है, आई हैव गॉन टू द नेक्स्ट स्क्रीन। नेक्स्ट स्क्रीन में कैसे गई, मोर ऑप्शंस करके गई मैं। तो वहां पे आपको ऑप्शन में देखिए, यहाँ पे लिखा है वेटिंग रूम। सो देर आर ऑप्शंस ऑफ सेइंग वेटिंग रूम। सो इफ यू क्लिक ऑन दिस वेटिंग रूम, then every time a person who is, even if he is having a link, then also will have to take them, admit them if they are trying to join. तो अगर ये डिस्टरबेंस नहीं चाहिए तो हम वेटिंग रूम को वहां पर से अनक्लिक कर देंगे एंड देन वी विल सेव। सो एनी पर्सन हैविंग द लिंक कैन ज्वाइन। सो इट विल नॉट बी अ नेसेसिटी कि आपको हर पार्टिसिपेंट्स को एडमिट करना पड़े। सो दैट इज देयर। और यहाँ पे अटैचमेंट्स भी लग सकते हैं, लाइक व्हेन आई वाज वर्किंग इन द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, तो हम लोग जूम मीटिंग के टाइम पे, बिकॉज आई वाज एन एचआर, तो हम लोग उनको भेजते थे कि हम किस तरह के क्वेश्चंस पूछ सकते हैं। सो देयर वर प्रोबेबल क्वेश्चंस, वी यूज्ड टू सेंड देम एज एन अटैचमेंट, और अबाउट द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन आई यूज्ड टू सेंड देम द डॉक्यूमेंट कि ये है एंड यू नीड टू रीड इट बिफोर अटेंडिंग द इंटरव्यू। तो हाँ, देयर आर ऑप्शंस जो आप देख रहे हो यहाँ पे, अटैचमेंट्स हैं। सो इन एनी जूम कॉल, क्योंकि दिस टाइम वी नो ईच अदर, राइट, हम एक ऐसे ग्रुप में हैं जहाँ पे सब लोग एक दूसरे से ऑलरेडी व्हाट्सएप पे बात कर रहे हैं। बट वेन वी आर हैविंग अ कॉल विथ डिफरेंट कंट्री पीपल और डिफरेंट पीपल फ्रॉम डिफरेंट एरियाज जिनको हम जानते भी नहीं हैं, एंड दैट विल बी आवर फर्स्ट कॉल्स, तो हम उनको अपने बारे में, अपने ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के बारे में बताने के लिए वी कैन यूज दिस एड अटैचमेंट्स थिंग। एंड दिस एड अटैचमेंट हैज अ वेरी गुड, लाइक 20 फाइल्स तक इसमें जा सकते हैं। सो दैट इज द गुड पार्ट। ओके, नाउ जब आप, दिस इज अबाउट, सो इवन इफ यू आर एज अ होस्ट, व्हेन यू आर एज अ होस्ट और आपको अपना नाम चेंज करना है, तो यहाँ पर से आप अपना प्रोफाइल वगैरह चेंज कर सकते हैं। इको मार्गदर्शक यहाँ लिखा हुआ है, दिस इज अ स्क्रीनशॉट, तो यहाँ से अभी मैं नहीं चेंज कर सकती हूँ। और and here you can add your backgrounds, effects, your video filters, everything can be done. So the basic thing is कि जहां पे भी आपका नाम शो कर रहा है, there always an option कि यहाँ पे आपको प्रोफाइल चेंज करने के ऑप्शंस वहीं पर मिलेंगे। ठीक है, so this is there। और मैं एक और बात बताना चाहती थी that I will, oh there, okay, as a host I have done। तो अगर नाउ एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम आप लैपटॉप पे हो एंड यू वांट टू शेयर समथिंग, सो दिस इज द ऑप्शन, द शेयरिंग ऑप्शन। यू कैन सी यहाँ पे एक स्क्वायर और रेक्टेंगल, आई थिंक उसमें एक एरो बना हुआ है विच सेज शेयर, और वहां पे आप शेयर कर सकते हो। नाउ द थिंग इज कि कभी कभी हम, when there is a meeting going on and you don't want to speak but you have to show that you like the point which is being discussed, so you can react also। Reactions can be given by these tilted heart shapes। Then chat का options होता है where you can speak the messages without disturbing the speaker, that can be done। All the backgrounds and effects, all the video filters and the avatars, blur my background can be done here। एक चीज बस समझनी है कि ऑडियो में जहां पे आपका माइक बना हुआ है, दैट इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल टू म्यूटिंग यू, अनम्यूटिंग यू, दैट यू कैन डू फॉर योर सेल्फ। एंड वीडियो में बहुत सारे जो ऑप्शंस दिए रहते हैं, तो जो भी आपको कभी कंफ्यूजन हो रहा है कि कहाँ से क्या करना है, तो उस चीज को दबा के एक बार देखेंगे, बिकॉज टेक्नोलॉजी is trying to help us। So what they do is that with every icon they will give you some or the other options, जिससे कि आप वहां पे एक्सपेरिमेंट करके समझ जाओगे कि क्या करना है। तो जैसे बहुत साल पहले व्हेन आई वाज स्टार्टिंग टू डू ऑल दीज थिंग्स, तो मैं अकेले में मीटिंग स्टार्ट करती थी एंड देन वीडियो ऑन करके और फिर अपना सब बैकग्राउंड वगैरह चेंज करती थी। सो ताकि व्हेन आई वाज सपोज टू टेक इंटरव्यू ऑफ कैंडिडेट्स और समथिंग लाइक दैट, तो एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम आई शुड नॉट मेक अ फूल ऑफ माई सेल्फ, तो इसके लिए मैं ये एक्सपेरिमेंट अकेले में करती थी। पर अभी सिंस वी ऑल नो ईच अदर, तो हम अगर सामने भी करें तो भी कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, that is not a problem। So the mantra is experimenting. Or now I have tried to put mobile apps also, जहाँ पे अगर हम Zoom हमारे पास होता है तो वहां पे हम क्या कर सकते हैं। तो ये जो है ना, ये ऑप्शन आपको प्रोफाइल का ऑप्शन वहां पे रहता है। अगर आप अभी मोबाइल से ज्वाइन किए हुए हैं तो यू कैन चेक योर प्रोफाइल, और वो आप प्रोफाइल जब करोगे देन इट विल शो योर नेम ओवर देयर एंड योर email ID in short form. When you will click on this basic, मेरे में basic लिखा है because I have the basic Zoom. बेसिक पे प्रेस करने पर यू विल सी ऑल दीज थिंग्स ओवर देयर, जहां पे कि आप अपना प्रोफाइल फोटो चेंज कर सकते हो, यू कैन डिस्प्ले नेम चेंज कर सकते हो, एंड मेनी मेनी अदर थिंग्स इफ यू वांट टू शो। लाइक अगर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में जैसे अभी भी अगर हम चाहें तो हम इसमें डिपार्टमेंट, जॉब टाइटल, लोकेशन, वर्क लोकेशन वो भी चेंज कर सकते हैं। सो आई थिंक आई स्पोक वेरी फास्ट। सो दिस इज ऑल। और अभी अगर आप लोग कुछ भी सवाल पूछना चाहें और फिर हम फिर दूसरे स्लाइड पे अगर जाना चाहें तो यू कैन आस्क मी। इज इट ओके?
Yeah, Parul, it was good. But you know, there are few things which even I'm confused.
ओके,
So I don't know how do we how to set it up. It's like
ओके।
we have something called interpretation kind of thing. Also, we have no in the setting up. Do you know about that?
इंटरप्रिटेशन, अच्छा
Um,
एक्सप्लोर नहीं किया, मैं देखती हूँ।
uh, Ramesh, do you know about that interpretation setting and all that?
Yeah, actually, so if somebody is talking, the letters will come in the bottom. I forgot the setting, but that's what I have seen before.
तो you're
Yeah,
talking
have you
about
used?
Like,
captions?
like in
Have you?
YouTube, you will get the captions, right? Same thing. When we are talking, it will come the bottom.
So it's like, you know, the reason I'm asking, we have meeting with these Indonesians and Malaysians and Thai guys, no? So
Uh,
if we have interpreter, I don't know how to set that up. There are in basic thing we can set it up. So the languages, I mean, they will speak in their language and we understand
okay, okay.
something like that is there for the
No,
different.
that interpretation I have not seen. Even if we are talking in some other language, suppose somebody is talking in Hindi, no,
Uh,
it will directly come in English letters. That's what I have
uh,
seen. But I will try it and see.
no, not that. I'm talking about,
Hmm.
I probably I'll check.
Yeah, yeah, it's
I'll
coming as
show.
captions instead of the interpretation.
Not the caption. It is, I'll show
Yeah.
you something. It's um,
So we can explore that actually.
Yeah, I'll check.
So how we can get a translation of the person speaking?
no, not the translation, Paru. This is,
Okay.
it's some, I mean, I have attended there. So some people know they make certain people as interpreter.
Okay.
And I have tried actually and I've not been successful.
Okay.
So I will. So there are a lot of things which we are yet to explore,
That's
probably.
inside Zoom you are asking or some
Yeah,
other
inside the Zoom.
inside.
I have explored the caption option, but honestly speaking, I have never explored interpreter because I did not need that. So what I am understanding from your query is that a person is speaking in a different language
Yeah,
and you want to get it in English.
English. Yes.
So that's what the interpreter can do. Otherwise,
Yeah.
literally meaning interpreter is that only one person will
Uh,
speak or
so,
translate a language.
so I will share my screen and I will
Okay.
find out if Ramesh can help me out with that.
Okay, I will stop sharing.
Yeah. Okay, so this is the screen where we set up the entire thing, right? Now, in this general, this,
I am not able to see
I
now.
think you have not shared it.
okay.
Yeah, actually, I'm
No,
not
it
able
will
to.
come, it will come.
Um,
You can see now? No.
Not yet.
Yeah, now I can see.
Huh. So here these are the settings of Zoom, right? Whatever we have to set up. So here like this meeting. So all these data, I don't know how to do all this, okay? I mean, if I've made one change also, it makes a havoc. Some people can't join. And, some people get into panic mode if it asks you to write down, join with the email. So at the last moment of the meeting, no, just few minutes before the sessions and all that, they're like, how do I attend? N number of messages in the group, how to attend, what to do. It is asking me to sign in. So, if it is asking, you should sign in. That's it, what
Yes,
I feel.
that's it.
Yeah, so these are,
New things. Create
no, these are for the setting, and somewhere the interpretation is also there. Schedule. And there are also option when, it's like we have a challenge that if we start to schedule the meeting and someone else has to start the meeting, then we find a problem. I think there is a way where you can add certain name or email
Yes.
ID if they can, you know, and what is this room management?
It is a kind of, ma'am, like what there was a Zoom rooms like we used to have for discussions in interviews. We used to have like people from different places. So that was there. I have used it, but not very frequently. So
It's something like there is support happening. Okay, we have each of us have different problems, and suppose I am solving everybody's problem one by one. Then people will be sitting in the meeting room, and I will allow only the person I want to give support to at that time.
This we can
Something
do
like
it ongoing. I mean, if suppose now I'm sitting and talking to all of us are here. Now, if I want to talk to one person, so can I start the room there and pull that person there and talk something like that?
yes, exactly.
Okay.
It is like
So
that.
it is possible in one
Yeah,
on
everybody
mobile.
will be there
Uh,
unless you allow one certain person.
uh,
They won't be able to meet with you at that time.
I don't know where is that gone, user management. Because every time I have start doing something goes wrong. So
Uh,
I'm scared to change anything. And
uh,
in that kind of work, there are a lot of senior people come, those government officials who don't know much. They just know to click and attend, that type. Then we don't know what to do. And if we put any kind of restriction that, we need only registered people here, or we need certain thing, all that challenges we do come across. So we don't do it now. I just keep it simple so that anybody can join.
there are some things like if we only the admin can give permission to other person to share the screen. Those options are also there.
So last time we actually made some questions also, survey and all that. But that didn't click during the program. Something went wrong. And first time it happened nicely. Then it didn't happen after that. So it was like a question paper. I was asking them to do that, and that didn't click. I don't know where is that thing gone.
There are so many options, but we get confused. We get
So many
confused
options.
during the meeting time.
Correct.
If we start using all of these now, so it becomes so technically equipped.
No, Parul, you know, sometimes what happens, if we don't learn this properly, all of us sit together and we don't learn, and it's like one point of failure. That shouldn't happen. Uh,
So what
everybody,
happened now, ma'am? Ki
uh,
at one point of time you will need one of those things which which is missing. So as you are saying
uh,
that.
see, now I'm searching for something, I'm not getting it. So all these things disclaimer when users sign into Zoom. So probably, show disclaimer and disclaimer, we can put certain protocols that keep yourself mute till you're asked to, given permission to ask questions. Otherwise, it disturbs the flow of a speaker, no, whatever happens. So we can, something like that, I was thinking we can put, but,
I think
hmm,
this will bring up a screen which will initially tell, uh, give the disclaimer, whatever you're telling. Yeah.
yeah, I saw here it is there. Recording.
You're looking for the interpreter, is it?
Yes.
Interpreting. So I
Okay. We can search in Google then interpreter for Zoom.
To video.
So actually that Zoom rooms that you're talking, ma'am. So actually that was to integrate with physical things. Like physically, you can integrate your meetings with mics and the systems. So there can be a collaboration between a physical meeting and a Zoom meeting. So that is the use of Zoom rooms. It's also good actually.
So I'm thinking I should get here something. See, who can start the meeting also, no? If I want to give a permission to one or two or five people who can start that, all that restrictions, it's just not working. It's not working in this, here, automated caption. Okay, this is the caption, right? Uh,
Yeah. I'm
yeah.
looking in.
Here, the
Yes,
language
yes, yes.
interpretation.
Language
I
interpretation.
have switched it on, but uh, how we make it functional. Uh, so this is
Looks
like
like
They have only 9 languages with them.
no, we can add many
They can add
languages.
many languages. Okay.
I have added these because these are the people whom we usually communicate with.
Language interpretation.
This one, like, sign language interpretation, something new has come far, and all this thing, how to make it. I mean, I have not been able to do it. When we do, other people know, like even if they are from Malaysia or Indonesia, those people are able to do it. They talk in their language, but I understand in English. So
You understand it in English or the caption is it in English?
no, there's no caption in the English.
They are speaking and you are able to
Huh.
listen in English.
Huh.
Wow.
So I don't know how do they enable it, but this is
is
something.
this a free version or
No, it's a paid version.
paid version?
Huh.
I'll try it. I'll also try once.
So this interpretation thing, I couldn't do it. I couldn't crack it because if we have people from South India, North India, and when we have challenges with languages, we don't know what to do. Then we have a mediator who can speak and understand both the languages properly and then translate everything. So that's how it is going on right now. But this would have been really helpful if we can start using this tool.
Can time.
Interpret one language to another in real time. So this is what happens. Host can assign an interpreter scheduling or during the meeting. So you can do this and
You choose a language.
so and when I say enable, no, then we get it at the bottom. You get those interpreter like where we have this share chat and all that, no, like
You get an
there's one
interpreter.
more column comes as an interpreter. Then we change it there, but I mean it's not working. I've been trying it out, but I couldn't do it. So I don't know how this sign languages is also there, something new. It was not there last time. Uh,
This I won't be able to explore because I have a basic Zoom. It is an
hmm.
advanced paid version. I can explore on Google.
Ah. These are the few tools which I really wanted to do, and but anyway, that's
So
okay.
you want to have some good knowledge on interpreter. That will be, practical thing that it will help you.
Because Parul, see, when we have our sessions, the proper training session when we have, when we
Hmm.
do the certificate course and all that,
Hmm.
people
Hmm.
from different backgrounds, they come and give the input. It's
Hmm.
like, person who is doing fantastic work in Uttarakhand. And if
Hmm.
I ask him to come and talk, he is not able to talk in English. He will talk in pure
Hmm.
Hindi.
Absolutely.
Now, people from South would not able, I mean, they can't understand. Then we need a moderator who can translate it manually, that is happening. But if
Hmm.
we can have an interpreter, it
Hmm.
can translate the same thing in English for them, no? Then it
Hmm.
is,
Hmm.
so it will solve actually a lot of our issues with this.
There's a like when I watch these UN talks and everything. So
Hmm.
what happens there is that everybody is listening. It is different from Zoom I'm talking, but
Hmm.
everybody is listening to the language they want to.
Yeah. Yeah.
So like Narendra Modi is listening to Hindi because he wants to listen in Hindi, even if the
Hmm.
person is speaking in Korean.
Hmm.
So now when you are talking, when somebody is speaking from Uttarakhand in Hindi, and uh, so I have a confusion that this will help. Obviously, this will help because some people wants to listen in Hindi and they will be listening the entire thing in Hindi.
Yeah.
There will be some people from South India also who would require the same language as this person is speaking.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah. So that will be actually very helpful. And here, no, I mean, there are, we can add number of languages what we want to change here. So, I mean, I will. So this is something very interesting to learn, and I don't know how to. I've been trying it out, but not possible. I mean, I've not been able to do from India because when we are not able to call many people from Indonesia and Malaysia because of the language. So if we fix this issue, no, we can call them also. And our language, whatever Hindi or English, whatever we talk, it get translated in their language and they're listening. And it has to be enabled from host side only. It is not, they can't do much. It has to be enabled from host side. So and so this is what is my challenge in Zoom.
no, that's a good thing to learn. So I will also, this will something that I have also never explored. So I will.
Hmm. So next time who's scheduling the meeting? सुचेता आप करोगे? समझ में आ गया जो पारुल ने बताया? There are a lot of things in this to learn, okay? Lot of
Actually,
things, and like every point has so much to learn. Um,
I think in each of the technology, even if I'm using ChatGPT these days, there's so much to learn, like it's endless. But
no,
as soon as we start exploring, then only we'll be able to learn. तो अभी तो मेरा तो basic ही
uh,
चल रहा
no, we will have a session on ChatGPT also.
है. Much to learn.
Maybe next week we'll do it on ChatGPT. Uh, this Canva is changing every day.
Canva, oh my God, I just love Canva for its
Versatility, how much of thing it can be, it can do. So,
all my presentations, my
yeah.
cartoons, everything is from Canva.
Hmm. So every platform is changing, and if we don't upgrade ourselves with all these small small thing, 5 साल के बाद लगेगा we are in alien country.
हम एक्सटिंक्ट हो जाएंगे मैम.
हाँ,
हम ही एक्सटिंक्ट हो जाएंगे.
हाँ. So we need to update
We
ourselves,
need to upgrade ourselves.
है ना?
Yes.
So thank you, Parul. It was nice, and we can do some more advanced session in
Yes,
Zoom.
yes. For
So
advanced, I'll need someone else because I don't have that.
yeah,
Maybe
somebody.
you can take on the advanced thing and I will attend. But I'll explore this interpreter thing, ma'am. I really want to see
So you
that
know
how.
what, Parul? Next time, probably we will have another session on Zoom, and you can focus on how to schedule a meeting. So every option, what we can change there, what it shows, whether participant, we need to permit them, or their waiting room, and how do we enable waiting room, how the room, what we discussed today, Zoom rooms and all that. So all that we can cover it up a little more.
So
The
I would suggest.
interpretation is another level of advanced
Hmm.
learning.
So what I would suggest is that, like, when on Friday, I think Saturday, ma'am, Friday called Taruji called me that you have to if you can do this.
Ah,
So
hmm.
I was like, and she said that people don't have the basic thing,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
so I
Because
thought that okay, this is the most basic thing that I can speak
Nee,
about.
nee, this is okay because a lot of people we do, see, many people have not joined, and it is difficult for me to give instructions, how to log in from the laptop. From laptop, it is a different issue. With the mobile, it is a different way of logging in. For the small, small thing, ye log in nahi ho raha hai, and here the meeting is going on. I am on the screen and talk call is coming. You tell me how to join, it is not happening, and it's like too much of things around. So
तो व्हाट आई वुड सजेस्ट मैम कि ये जैसे कि आपको ये वाला इशू है
hmm.
कि ऐसे ज्वाइन एनी होस्ट विल हैव दीज इश्यूज, तो 5-6 टॉपिक्स अगर आप जैसे बिफोर आई टेक द सेशन इफ आई गेट दिस टॉपिक्स कि हाँ इस पे भी बात करो, देन आई विल बी एबल टू एक्सप्लोर
Yeah.
मोर इन दैट.
हाँ.
तो मुझे अगर 5-6 टॉपिक्स एक वीक पहले मिल जाए तो आई विल एक्सप्लोर मोर ऑन दैट
So this is
एंड
going to be every Monday, what we have decided, no, Parul.
यस.
And Parul, whatever, I mean, we are open because this is just the knowledge sharing. If I know something, we share it with others also. There are so many of them, they need these kind of sessions. We can have something on Canva, the
Yes.
basic on Canva, or basic on documentation. How do we make the documentation? ये सब छोटा छोटा सा हमें करते रहना है, and take that liberty, call up, send messages, tell to Taru, this Monday I want to do it, I want to take up this session. Because with this, no, it is not just for you, I'm telling, it is for everybody.
Yes,
And
yes, yes.
every kind of knowledge is important for an entrepreneur.
And also that when you share, then you explore more. So that
Yes.
I have understood from my experience कि जब मैं
Yes, yes.
जितना मैंने ट्रेनिंग दिया है ना उतना मैंने सीखा है.
हाँ, सीखते हैं, सही बात है, बिल्कुल वैसे ही है.
बस थोड़ा टाइम का इशू हो जाता है मैम. सो दैट इज द प्रॉब्लम दैट आई डोंट टेक लाइक आई डोंट टेल. जब कोई बोलता है देन आई से कि ओके आई विल बी एबल टू.
No, it's a good one, and don't wait for the call. What I'm trying to say, it is for everybody, and say, okay, I know how to. Samira ji is doing excellent work with textile waste, so I want her to take some sessions on that.
Yes.
So these kind of thing which we can explore, not just everything can. We need to just be open and.
मैम एक सजेशन है कि
Hmm,
आपने अभी इतने सारे बोले ना कि ये सब टॉपिक्स हो सकते हैं प्रोबेबल टॉपिक्स फॉर द मंडे नॉलेज
hmm,
सेशन. तो वो
hmm.
टॉपिक्स आप बीए पे लिख दीजिए. देयर माइट
So
बी
I think I
पीपल
will
जो
put a
बहुत एक्सपर्ट
post.
हैं इसमें.
I'll put a post saying these are the topics we are planning to do it in knowledge sharing. If
हाँ.
anybody has anything extra to share, you can just add on to this and write your name against it.
Yes, write your
And
name.
whatever topic is written against that also, if they want to write, someone wants to take this session, okay, yeah, this
Yes.
is good, I want to do it, we'll do it.
Even two people together can take a session if
Yes, yes.
both can join together and collaborate and research. तो वो
Yeah,
और भी ज्यादा इफेक्टिव होगा.
yeah.
उस तरह से आप बोल देंगे ना तो थोड़ा सब लोग
हाँ,
उसके और सोचेंगे.
हाँ. Hmm. Yeah, definitely.
We are done.
Hmm.
अभी मैं so Taruji has asked me to take the pledge.
Yeah.
If we are done, then I'll share.
Yeah, please.
Okay. My laptop is slow actually.
pledge to embrace and promote the use. I pledge to embrace and promote the use of bioenzymes to protect our soil, air, and water. I commit to making and using bioenzyme for organic waste management, reducing chemical pollutants, and fostering sustainable ecosystems. Together, we'll safeguard our environment and create a cleaner, healthier world for all. Thank you.